In this video, you'll learn how to use Canva's Magic Media feature to create engaging visuals. First, select the custom size option to start a new design. Then, choose the A4 landscape template to set the right format for your design. Next, go to the Apps section to access Canva's powerful creative tools. Use the search bar to quickly find specific apps by typing a Magic Media. Now, see Magic Media under the Recent section. Click on it. Pick the Yule Magic Media option from the search results. After that, click into the description box and enter a few words describing what you'd like to create with Magic Media. Finally, go to the Style section and choose the style you want for your graphic image. Then, click the Generate button. After clicking the Generate button, Canva AI will generate your image. This may take a few moments. Once the image has been generated, simply click on it to add it to your design. Next, if you'd like, you can adjust the photo to fit your background perfectly. You've now seen how to create and customize media with Canva's Magic Media tool.